Hi there, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen and welcome to my channel. For this DIY, you need this 14-inch wreath form. I got it from Dollar Tree and the metal fixture is also included. I put the metal fixture on the wreath form and then folded it like this. I also did this on the bottom part, and then while you are folding it, the wreath form is also forming a spear. I also secure it with zip ties to avoid the movement of the wreath form. And I have these string lights on hand that I got from Amazon 2 years ago. I will see if I can find the link and I will just put it on the description box below. And I just wrap it like this. Just make sure your string lights are untangled so you can arrange it easier. I think there are 150 LED lights on this string light, so I ended up wrapping the wreath form 2 times. And here is my string light, very tangled, so I need to fix it before wrapping it. So make sure that your string lights are untangled. And this project only take me maybe 20 minutes to wrap it. Yeah, so while you're wrapping it, maybe you can just put on your favorite show. And here how it looks like. It's almost done wrapping it on the first round. And that's the extra light, so I wrap it again on the wreath form. So there are two rounds, so it depends on the lights that you're gonna use. And after that, here you go. And I just put some zip ties, yeah, but you don't really need to do that. And we will gonna hang this. So I have this string, black string. This is also from Dollar Tree. I just added it. And before I will show you the result, I will give you another option. If you don't have the string light, just get the regular Christmas light and we're gonna wrap our 14-inch wreath form. And you can see the big difference on this project if you will use the string lights or the regular Christmas lights. So after wrapping it again, it's this Christmas lights, it's more easier to wrap the wreath form, by the way. And yeah, I just wrap it. I think I did 2 times, and there are 150 bulbs or 100 bulbs, light bulbs. And yeah, after wrapping it, I just put another black string and tada, here you go. I really like the string lights that I wrap on the wreath form. I think it's more cute than the one that's have regular light. Yeah, so let me know on the comment below what's your favorite or what do you think of this project. And I feel like this is also good for a wedding decor, not just Christmas decor. You can hang it on the tree, or if you don't have a tree, you can hang it in front of the house under the roof, and it looks really good. For this DIY, you need this hula hoop from Dollar Tree. This is the big one. I put 5 marks, and to do that, I grab my tape measure and just eyeballed where is the middle of the hula hoop. And I added more marks by moving the tape measure from left to right like this. And I don't have a measurement, so just putting some marks to help form a star. I made 5 marks total. So trust me, this is very easy. It looks very intimidating, but as long as you know the shape of the star, you can do this. And yeah, so I finished marking the hula hoop, and I have this Christmas light that I got last year. It has 100 lights. No, it has 150 lights, and yeah, it has 16 function. You can change the light settings, which is nice. And I will start putting the lights from the top, and make sure you set aside enough of the strand so that you can plug it in easier. So I started wrapping the hula hoop from the top to the left point that I marked, then going to the next mark straight across, and repeated this until I wrapped the strand over all 5 marks. And also, if you did not mark exactly correct, just make some adjustment as you are wrapping it to make things line up better. And I just continued wrapping the strand around the hula hoop until I ran out of lights, and I made sure that I spread the lights equally. After wrapping the hula hoop with the light, I secure the each point of the light with the fuzzy stick or the pipe cleaner. I also got that from Dollar Tree. And after that, after putting the pipe cleaner, I will be using this garland from Dollar Tree. It is 15 feet long. I also use the pipe cleaner to attach the garland. And here I already finished wrapping the hula hoop, but I still have a bunch of garland left over, so I did another round wrapping the hula hoop. Then I realized that I have these garland ties from Dollar Tree. I wish I saw this before putting the pipe cleaner, since the pipe cleaner is black and the garland ties would look more natural. So I just used the garland ties to cover the pipe cleaner and to also secure the garland that we wrap on the hula hoop. And this part is optional. You can put greeneries and bow, but the hula hoop and the star is already gorgeous. So yeah, this is optional. But if you want to add, you can just add greenery. And if you can also go out, get the one that's at the Dollar Tree, the ready-made bow. That will be a great idea to put on this project. If I can go out, I will probably use that, but I cannot because I am quarantining myself right now. I went to the ER last Friday, and I went back this Monday. So what happened was my knee was swelling, and I can feel some poke in my heart. So we were so worried. We thought it was a blood clot or something, but thank God it wasn't. The doctor did not find any blood clot or anything. And I'm praying that I don't have the virus though, because there's a tendency that I could catch it in the emergency room. Yeah, so here's our project. I really love how it turned out. How cute is this? Yeah, so let me know on the comment below, what do you think of this project? I'm sorry if I shared my story. You know, you are also part of a family. You are my family here on YouTube. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know what's your favorite. So, bye-bye, guys. See you on my next DIY, and Merry Christmas. God bless you all. Be safe.